How to replace a gear shifter light on a 2001 Toyota Highlander. Now, this is a very easy step. You only need a Phillips head screwdriver. Now what you want to do is go ahead and remove this bezel piece here. What I did here, I was able to grab on the bottom here and just pull up on it and just kind of work it around. It's just held on by some clips. Be careful not to break it. Now what I did here, to help me out a little bit easy, I put the car, make sure the emergency brake is on. I put it into neutral or low gear, enough where I can swing this bezel over the gear shifter to move it out of the way. Now I was able to take the bulb out, but I wasn't able to get it back in. So what I would recommend doing, after you get the bezel off, you'll have a total of 3 screws, one here, one there, and you'll have one right in the middle, right between here, behind this bezel here. Take those 3 off here. And you will need a flathead screwdriver. These are just little clips, little flathead clips. You turn counterclockwise and you can just pull it out. They just pop on out. Same thing with here. And you also got it on the passenger side. So total of 4 little black flathead clips. Take those 4 off. And this whole piece will slide out and you can just go and take it off. And your light bulb will be right about here, right where my finger's at, right about there, that you can do to go ahead and push it in. Now the light bulb is a 37. I think that's the number of it, I believe, because that's what it showed on the light bulb itself on it. So I hope this video kind of helped you out. I know I didn't do nothing, but hopefully what I was saying makes sense and able to help you out. So thanks for watching.